Welcome, my friend. And listen closely because this one moment might be the beginning of a whole new life for you. If you've ever felt like you're walking alone, no one understands you, no one supports you, you keep trying and no one sees it. You're always the one who gives but never receives. You're surrounded by people but still feel lonely. Or maybe you've been completely alone for a very long time. Then this video is for you. This is your space. This is your homecoming. This is where everything finally starts to change. Because today I'm going to give you 10 real rules, not quotes, not fake motivation, not theories, but real emotional proven steps that will help you win in life, succeed without anyone's help, and most importantly, grow in silence. And if you're learning English, this video is even better for you. I'm speaking in clear, slow, powerful English. You can listen again and again for practice. You can repeat after me. Train your mouth and grow confident. This video will improve your mindset and your English at the same time. Now take a deep breath. This is not a lecture. This is a moment between you and me to rebuild your life from the inside out. Let's begin. Rule 1. Remember your dream every morning. Before you check your phone, before you answer anyone's message, before you brush your teeth, before you open your mouth to speak to the world, speak to yourself. Remind yourself. Anchor yourself, because the reason most people fail in life is not because they're lazy or stupid or unlucky. They fail because they forget what they're fighting for. They get up and they fall right into the routine. Scrolling, reacting, comparing, surviving. They let the world set their emotions. They let noise kill their focus. They let comfort destroy their hunger. But not you. From now on, every morning, you must begin your day like a warrior. Wake up and whisper your dream. Say it out loud. Say it even if you're tired. Even if you're broke. Even if no one believes in you. Say it anyway. Because that dream is the only reason you're still breathing. Let's say you're trying to become fluent in English. You want to speak clearly, naturally, confidently. But every day you feel scared to talk. You feel embarrassed. No one helps you. No one corrects you. You're afraid of being wrong, so you say nothing. And that's how another day passes. But starting today, that ends. Tomorrow morning you wake up, you sit on your bed, and you say to yourself, I will speak English fluently. One day I will train daily. I will speak clearly. I will no longer be silent. Not just say it, feel it. Close your eyes and imagine. You're speaking in front of people. You're confident. You're respected. You're living in another country. You're free. You're fluent. And no one gave it to you. You built it alone. That dream is not just fantasy. It's your fuel. And if you start every morning with that fire, nothing can stop you. Your brain wakes up in a fog.